So continuing with the complementary and cardinality of a set. Let's say we are giving the set, the universal set, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. We know that these elements are all integers. And then we are giving A is the set of 1, 2, 3, which are whole numbers between 0 and 4. B is the set of -3, -2, -1, which are integers between -4 and 0. And C is the set of 0, 1, 2, 3, which are all whole numbers less than 4. Number 1 asks us to find a complement, meaning all the elements that are in the universal set but not in set A. Number 2 asks us to find the cardinality of A union B, which are the number of elements that is in the set A union B. Number 3 asks us to find A union C complement, which is all of the elements that are not in A union C, but is in the universal set. Number 4 asks us to find A intersect C, which is the elements that are common in set A and C. And number 5 asks us to find the cardinality of A intersect B, which are the number of elements that is common in set A and set B. A is equal to 0, B is equal to 3, C is equal to 6, D is equal to -3, -2, -1, 0. E is -3, -2, -1, and F is 1, 2, 3. So we're going to look at the question that is on, these are the questions on our left, and the answers are on our right. And we're going to match the correct answer with the given question. So the first one asks us, what is a complement? So we're going to look at set A, and we're going to look at our universal set. And we're going to look at what all elements are not in set A. And the elements that are not in set A are -3, -2, -1, and 0. Number 2 asks us to find the cardinality of A union B. This is the number of elements that are in A union B. So look at A union B and tell me, what is the cardinality of A union B? If you said C, which is 6, you are correct. Number 3 asks us to find A union C complement, which is all of the elements that are in the universal set that is not in A union C. If you said E, which is -3, -2, -1, you are correct. Number 4 asks us to find A intersect C. Now remember, intersection means all the elements that are common. Our keyword for intersection is common. So A intersects C. So we're going to look at set A and set C. What is common between the two? If you said F, 1, 2, 3, you are correct. And finally, number 5 asks us to find the cardinality of A intersect B. So what is the number of elements that is in A intersect B? Meaning the number of elements that is common in set A intersect B. If you said 0, you are correct. So as a reminder, the complement of a set, which is denoted as A with an apostrophe or A with a capital C in the upper right corner, is all of the elements in a universal set that is not in the given set. And the cardinality of a set is the number of elements in the given set. So again, the complement of a set is all of the elements that is in the universal set, but not in the given set. And the cardinality or the cardinal number of a set is the number of elements in a given